Jai Shri Krishna guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will understand what SQL is with simple explanation and real life examples. So let's start. First, let's understand what SQL is. SQL stands for Structure Query Language. SQL is used to communicate with database, used to store data, retrieve data, update data and delete data. Store data means data is saved in the databases. Retrieve data means we can fetch or see data using select command. Update data means we can modify existing data. Delete data, we can remove data. We can remove the all data, we can remove specific data from the database. All these operations we will learn step by step in upcoming videos. I will explain each command in detail. Yeah. In simple words, SQL helps us to store, retrieve, update, and delete data easily. Now let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose we have a table कॉल्ड है एम्प्लॉय टेबल एंड इन एम्प्लॉय टेबल में कॉलम से आईडी नेम डिपार्टमेंट सैलरी. अभी मुझे चेक करना है कि मेरा डेटा प्रॉपरली इंसर्ट हुआ है और जितना भी एम्प्लॉय का डेटा है वो प्रॉपरली शो हो रहा है क्या मेरे टेबल्स में. तो मैं कमांड यूज़ करूँगी उसमें सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम टेबल नेम. टेबल नेम क्या है हमारा एम्प्लॉय. So we create this table. Now we have not created this table in our database. So I cannot show real data. We will create this table in upcoming videos and practice everything. If you want to see all employee data, we can write this query select star from employee. Okay. Right now, if we execute this query, we may get an error like invalid object name because the table is not created yet in our database. So okay, हाँ invalid object name error आ रहा है हमको. If you want to see only specific department data, I want to see only IT department employee data, or if you want to filter data based on any condition, we can write the query like select star from employee. We use the where conditions department equal to IT. Okay, this query will show only IT employees from the table. Now let's understand why SQL is important. Today, every organization work with data used in banking, e-commerce, healthcare, insurance. For example, in e-commerce company, SQL is used to track orders and uh, customers, and in banking SQL is used to manage transactions. In healthcare SQL is used to store patient record, and in insure SQL is used to manage policies and claims. So SQL is one of the most important skill in today's IT industry. uh, हमें डेटा एनालिस्ट बनना है, डेटा साइंटिस्ट, डेटा इंजीनियर, हम कोई भी मतलब फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर, बैक एंड डेवलपमेंट कुछ भी करें उसके लिए एसक्यूएल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो इफ हम स्टार्टिंग से स्टेप बाय स्टेप सीखेंगे तो एसक्यूएल सीखने में बहुत ईजी है और अंडरस्टैंड करने में भी बहुत ईजी है एसक्यूएल. So now let's quickly summarize what we learn in this video. Summary SQL stand for Structure Query Language. SQL is used to manage data in databases. SQL perform operation like select, insert, update and delete, and SQL widely used in all industry. So today we understood what SQL is in basic operation and why it is important. So in the next video we will learn what is RDBMS. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, feel free to comment. I will try to solve your doubts, and if needed, I will create a separate video for it. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye.